So this is the second demo that we are presenting today, and this is the client projects that we have set up. Uh, it's a property maintenance intake systems where we can go and just record the 350 plus properties information back into the knowledge base, and then our voice AI agent can help you the 24/7s in call taking where they can brief you regarding the information about the properties, setting up the sport tickets, have the lease and the other contacting informations with the costing and the other materials. So everything that LLM have. So anytime when you go and just do the chat with them, they can answer you. So here we have the two options. One is called the chat. The second is the call. So inside the chat and the calls, you can go and just ask him the any question, and then this will give you the answer for it. We have the two separate sources there. The one is called the blend.ai, that is actually it's a voice AI solutions, and the second is the n8n that actually go and just take the information back from the webhook calls and then save this data set back into the Postgres, and then the same Postgres data will be linked through the fast API with the client ERP systems that will go and just do the autonomous synchronizations regarding the ticketing and all that things. So further this voice AI will go and just help you to connect with their ERP systems and the track all the information regarding the ticketing, and then to escalate the jobs to the right persons inside it. And if there is no response or the ticket has been going up or their SLA has not been met, then they will go and just talk to the property managers and the other responsible people about it. So this is the whole solution that actually we have built. Now, when we are talking about the efficiency of the solution, so the solution can help you to first make the call arrangement and the communications as a seamless, where you don't need to go and just talk to the persons only into the working hours. This is available at 24/7. Now the system have the certain guardrails, along with they have the ability that they can go and just only uh, give you the right information, whatever has been asked, and if something that you are going out of the limit, they will go and just stop you. So that is the major thing that we have set up in terms of the securities. And if, for example, I go about the blend AI, so this is sort of like the demo I will go and just run here. We have the two options. One is called the chat, and the second is the call. So we already gave him the information about the our property units and everything. So now this information that we are providing them is actually it's already in our database. So we are pulling this information back from the surveys, from our ERPs, from the knowledge base, from the CSVs and the Excel files that we have set it up inside the knowledge base along with the other services that has been connected and we are using in-house. So if I go and just type here the information regarding that which property we are talking about. Hi Eva, I need to talk with you about Cedar Grove, Aston. Okay, so I just send him the message to the bot to ask him about the questions. So what I need to do first, I will go and just reactivate the chat because it's already released the session and it's already open from the since long. So the bot will go and just send you the welcome message, and then it will go and just give you the reply for it. Okay, you need to go and just further talk to them. So once you go and just send him the call about the EVA that the which property that you want to look. Okay, so they will go and just give you the confirmation back from the n8n webhook, and then they will send you the information that which is the right information property that we are talking about, like the Cedar Aston and at 10 at 1000 the willow grapes. Okay, so this is a property that we are talking about. So now I will go and just ask him the new question, what about parking, right? So he need to go back again into the database to confirm about the parking that Yes, parking has been available, guest parking via the digital registration and everything that is actually it's a SLA back into the property organizations like uh, and now I need to go and just ask him about the new things where I need to create a ticket about the some problem that actually I have in my apartment. Okay, so I'm telling him about I have problem in my apartment where water leakage happened. Okay. So I just ask him the new question. So once I ask him the question, then they will go and just talk you about the different safety gate rules. Now, all those guardrails that we are talking about is actually it's not something the hard coded. Okay, so the system can go and just automatically evaluate himself and understand the client query and then give you the response for it. Okay. No. Okay. So I just ask him that thanks, whatever you have done, and then he will go and just ask him about the other information regarding the unit stuffs and all those things, right? So the purpose is actually to give you the information regarding this property maintenance intake system is that this is the wise pipeline that actually we have built for our client, and then now it's already into the protections and they are using it all the day. I have reset it up back into our own account. Okay, so that's why you are not seeing exactly the all the information and the service has been connected, but whatever that you are seeing is actually it's sort of like the structure systems that we have built. So this is the second demo uh, of the day, and then we can go and just talk about the other things tomorrow. Thank you.